Hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I'm back with another review from ilikehair.com. So let's jump right into it. So here is the packaging. I absolutely love this box, the way it's made. Very well made, and it really makes you feel luxurious and just so excited about your purchase. So this is the way you open the box. And it does have an information card in there. I just love this packaging. Make sure you guys leave a review. So this is a 20-inch I-part unit. It has a sticker there to show you exactly what inch you received. And here is the unit. Absolutely beautiful texture. That's my first impression. I love the texture of the unit. It comes with a little goodie bag here. And then a handy rat tail comb. Just going to open up this goodie bag. Of course, it is included with 2 tan caps. One nice like silk type shower cap. Very useful. And it also comes with 2 clips and a little brush, it looks like, for your eyebrows, and also some tweezers. But you're not going to have to tweeze this unit. So this is a 20-inch thin leave-out unit from ilikehair.com. I love the thickness of the hair. It mimics like relaxed or blown out relaxed African American hair. Absolutely love this texture. I have a similar texture in my head right now, so I absolutely love this texture. So first thoughts with this unit, I love how many clips are included in the unit for added security. It is a total of 5 clips at the top, 2 combs at the sides, and 1 comb in the back, and as well as adjustable straps. Very well made unit. So this I-part wig features little to no leave out due to the True Roots technology, and the leave out area is very thin. It is 100% breathable cap. It will match your roots whether you do a little leave out or not, but this wig allows you to leave out the thinnest amount of leave out or none at all. It is very thin. The stitching and the wefts are very thin, allowing it to lay very flat. I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to put it on. The I part is way different than a U part. U part, you're going to need to leave a lot of leave out, and this I part wig allows you to leave 99 to 100% less leave out. So the way I braided my hair is this way here. So I wouldn't be able to show you guys different styles like a side part or anything. So I'm just going to do the traditional middle part just because the way I braided my hair. And as you can see, it is very little leave out, very thin. So make sure you do your anchor braid in the back and 2 anchor braids in the front, just so those combs and clips can have more to hold on to. Definitely put 2 anchor braids around your leave out for the clips, and that helps avoid you ripping your hair out with those clips. So this is the way I braided my foundation. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. All right, so first step, you want to go ahead and put those clips. You want to line it up to where the wig isn't too far up. You want to line it up just perfectly. So you want to put those clips in your anchor braid and snap the clips down. Like I said, having anchor braids are very important around your leave out, so those clips have something to grip to instead of just loose hair. If it's just loose hair, you do risk losing some hair there. So as you can see, I'm putting in the clips. My leave out is super thin. But with this unit, you can definitely do it with no leave out if you like. I just find it a little bit more realistic looking if you leave a little bit of your leave out. So as you can see, there's my anchor braid in the front, and I did leave my edges out just so when the wind blows, it looks more natural. So I inserted that comb in the anchor braid in the front and inserting the other comb in the anchor braid on the other side. And as you can see, that leave out, a little bit of my edges is still out. You want to protect those as well. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the comb in the back. Yeah, so this is a part where you can sew down if you like. If you feel like it's too loose here, you can definitely sew the wig down to your braids, because the combs are going to leave, the way the combs are positioned, it is going to leave some space for flapping. That's what I call it when it flaps around a little bit like that. And I'm just trying to adjust this back comb. These back combs always give me the blues for some reason. And as you can see, I should have took my leave out back just a little bit further, but that's okay. I'm actually going to correct this in a moment. But as you can see, the way the combs are positioned, that's one con I would say about this unit. The way the combs are positioned, it's far back from the actual leave out area, so it's causing some flapping there. I wish the combs were sewed a little bit closer to the edge of the wig just to prevent that flapping right there. But that's really the only con with this unit. So looking at the texture of the unit, it is a very beautiful, like YAKI, thick YAKI texture, like blown out texture, and it's absolutely beautiful. It is very soft. This is where 20 inches falls on me. So I'm just critiquing the hair. I do feel like the ends are a bit choppy and not very even, so I will have to kind of even those out. As you can see, the front of the unit has some longer pieces, but that's really not that bad. That can be handled by just a little bit of trimming. The unit is super flat, you guys. These wefts, the true roots wefts really makes a difference. And I do see the difference between traditional U-part wigs. Look how much leave out I have in total. This is not for just one side. This is for both sides. So I'm just feeling around. I can see where I can feel that braid there, but that's not going to be a problem. I really love this unit so far. Very little leave out is needed. All right, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys enjoy how I installed this unit. As you can see, very thin leave out. So go ahead and stay tuned and watch how I install and style this I-part unit. All right, so I am just doing a few more passes on this hair. It flat irons beautifully, but as you can see, it's a bit choppy at the ends, like I said, but this can easily be taken care of with just a little trim. No big deal at all. I do feel like it's a bit shorter than 20 inches. I don't know, I have to go measure it to make sure it's true to length, but it may be, even if I cut off the ends a little bit, it may be 20 inches. I don't know. It feels like it's a bit short on me, but I'm taller. But we'll see. So yeah, I mean, look at this hair. Look at the sheen and the body and the movement of the hair. Like, absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. If you're looking for something that's not as thick as Kinky Straight, but it's not super thin and shiny, this is definitely the texture that you should go with. Like, absolutely beautiful. It feels like I just got a fresh relaxer. I honestly don't know where my hair ends. I don't know. My hair always has trouble blending in with U-part wigs, but oh my gosh. And the fact that I use so little leave out. Now, as you can see the braid there, but all you have to do is pull a little bit more of my own hair back. So I'm not even worried about that. Look at the movement that this hair has. Like, I wish my real hair looked like this. Look at that. It's so seamless. And the fact that I don't have to worry about so much leave out is amazing. So definitely check out the link below to this unit. I love this I-part unit. I absolutely love it. Check out the link below. I definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up. Be sure you subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you guys later.